Punjab and Haryana High Court has made it clear that allowing a private citizen to represent a relief seeker before court can prove to be unethical at multiple levels. Firstly, placing the fate of a person's life into untrained hands of individual could yield immutable consequences. In fact, same would amount to placing a wager with a human life at stake, High Court held. Court further observed that in such a situation, advocates are trained professionals who can be held accountable for conduct as they are also liable for disciplinary actions for professional misconduct. Legal training imparted to them enables them to represent client in best possible manner. Furthermore, they are required to abide by certain code of ethics as they are not just representing client but also duty bound to assist court in arriving at the correct decision, held the High Court. Justice Harpreet Singh Brar passed orders while dismissing petition by Manjeet Singh seeking bail in drug case registered against him in Jalandhar. During hearing of case, Pradeep Kumar appeared in person on behalf of petitioner and submitted that being a public spirited individual, he has been authorized by mother of petitioner to represent him. He contended that, according to rules framed by High Court under Section 46A of Punjab Courts Act 1918, he is eligible to file petition as he falls within the definition of petition writer. However, rejecting his plea, Justice Barr observed that bare perusal of above mentioned provisions indicates that by default, only advocates can appear before court and practice law. The court further observed that Section 32 of Advocates Act 1961 does provide for private citizens to appear before court. However, same is qualified by prior permission from court. Present petition pertains to grant of regular bail to petitioner. Decision of same would have direct implications on liberty of petitioner. Therefore, he deserves to be represented by domain expert who will be held accountable for laxity on his part. With that in view, court was not satisfied with arguments put forth by Pradeep Kumar to be allowed to represent petitioner. As matter of fact, he had not even been engaged by petitioner himself, but had appeared at request of his mother. Therefore, it cannot be reasonably said that petitioner had consented to being represented by him, observed the judge while dismissing this point.